Good morning, good evening, good afternoon guys. Welcome back to another done and planned video. We're just 10 minutes from Reus Airport now. But first, I'm going to give the truck a little clean. So why not film that, right? Nice and clean, looking good. Ooh, check it out, man. And of course, the weather, scorchio. Let's go to the airport. So I've always wondered how they clean those big lorries, but this is how my truck wash, just here, look. Amazing. 20 euros for the full truck. Okay, we're back from the airport. We're just in Mercadona now, just getting some supplies. I'm going to get some of these fried egg crisps. Fried egg flavour. I'll show you around. Right, van's away. We're just walking down to the Chiringuito now, sit and get some breeze, a couple of drinks. Right, we've just been to the Chiringuito, now we're trying to get some food. It is pretty warm right now. Running for them, trying to get there. Just running down to get some cash for the Euro Millions, and the machine has just ate me card. Oh, man. Right, the machine swallowed me card, but thankfully, because I'm with Wise, I've ordered a new card and added this new card straight to Apple Pay while the actual physical card gets delivered. I will make a video on Wise one day and show you how good it is, but crisis averted. That wouldn't happen with your regular banks, by the way. Now, me and Pam are just going down for an ice cream. Pistachio, pineapple sorbet and coconut. My word, they know their way around an ice cream. Right, we're just walking down the beach. Sun has just set. Pam's going to get some footage with the drone around where we are. Lovely. It's much cooler tonight. So hopefully the apartment won't be as warm. That's the only drawback, not having aircon, but I'll take that for being where we are. Pam, not so much.
Not at all.
Not at all. Right, we just finished a little drink there on the main square, just behind us. Heading back to the apartment now. Absolutely worn out of today. So, I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this, please like, subscribe, share, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.